Look, I got merch in the car and everything, man.
I don't give a fuck about those busted hats, bro. I'm gonna
Yeah,
tell you something
man.
about them
Got
hats.
merch, got goddamn me amps, speakers,
You need to
drone
reload
and
your
shit.
hats, man.
Yeah, they in the shop now. I need
Okay,
to go up there.
I needed to give you some advice.
Yeah,
I caught a trend.
I'm
You got
ready.
some of those busted old hats in there that nobody wants,
Yeah.
and they come over hungry for that nice, crisp black on black lookout racing hat.
Oh yeah.
That's
I'm
what you
coming.
need. I think you need to get some black ones, dude.
Yeah, I got the black ones coming. They
All
coming
right,
like a motherfucker. Man.
hell yeah.
Coming.
You
Let me
need the
show you when
black
I make a
hats. I do
pass
like
on you.
those camo ones though too. Those are
Oh
cool.
yeah, they love them camos. Look at that motor, man. Ooh.
Mm.
Imagine having to take all that shit apart though. That shit is a motherfucking fool.
I'm excited to, man. I'm at that point now where I really am excited to learn how to work on a car. Whereas before, it gave me massive anxiety. You know me, I got bad anxiety issues, panic issues. So the idea of working on a car for me was out of the window. No, I can't do that. I don't know how to do that. But now I'm actually kind of excited to learn. That's why I was asking you the question about the head gasket.
Yeah.
Because I'm just trying to soak in while I can. I know I'm going to be slower to learn than most people, but I can still learn.
Okay, he's soaking in while you can, y'all.
Yeah.
Soak it in while you can.
I got a question for you, man. What do we do with my
truck?
truck?
Put some
While you're
juice
looking
on
this
it.
up. No.
Which
think that?
truck you talking about?
Okay, so it's that 4-cylinder Mazda B2500.
Mazda. Oh, okay, I thought you were talking about.
It's a single. Here's the problem. I want a fucking roll cage eventually in whatever car I start building.
Yeah.
So I don't want to fuck this truck up if I can sell it as a working truck to somebody and then buy a car that's an actual race car. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I don't know prices, I don't know where to find this stuff. So I was wanting to talk to you about that. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should just fuck with this truck until I blow up the engine, or do you think I should?
Man, that 4-cylinder ain't gonna do nothing.
That's what I mean, dude.
You ain't gonna be able to beat Subi.
I know, even with some nitrous.
Yeah. Man, where my car, man? Oh, here we go.
But I could. How much can I get for that 99 B2500? That works great.
This is how I always find out what a car worth. This is how you do it.
180,000 miles or something, 200,000 miles.
I'm finna teach you how to find out what a car worth. You ready?
Okay.
Go online and look for that car.
Right.
Act like you want to buy one. You know when you want to buy some shit. When you want to buy some shit, you know how the price be out. Fuck yeah. We going off them prices. Such and such want 28 for his, so I only want 18 for mine. Yeah, y'all said it's 28 good deal. That's how I do.
Right.
Get on that mug.
See, I need you to sell my car for me, and I'll give you a cut of it because you can hustle out a price. I can't hustle the price. I'm going to do all the modifications on the car to get it working again and get it in good condition so it sells for more. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
Put away 10K for a roller and go from there. Damn.
Now, I want to start from a junkyard build. I've heard people do budget builds on cars. Like, that's a thing. So that's what I want to do because I don't have any money. So
I got no money, y'all.
I don't care what it looks like. I just want to have some fun and race it. I don't care if it's the fastest or the slowest. As long as it's fun to race.
No money, y'all.
And I'd like to drive it on the street.
Trying to do a budget bill.
So a street car.
Ain't trying to get killed.
Yep. There it is.
Shit costs a fucking lot.
Yep.
I'm going with a small block.
Okay.
Out the junkyard. Out of old car.
Okay.
Put some juice on it.
Okay.
And get loose on it.
Yes.
Got the stone vet.
All right, bro. I'm ready.
About to spin the check.
So we sell the truck.
About to fix the truck. And sell it for what?
Okay. That's it.
Probably get a stack. And that's gonna get it back. You might could get more. You gotta take pictures though. Hey, put more. Make sure they run AC blow. Do the AC even work? Hell no, you can't get. Hey.
My thought, maybe this is just a fake thing that's not real. Is there cars out there that don't really drive and need like a little bit of work that I could do myself, and then we could use that as a race car?
Well, you gon' have to get another damn car. Cause that truck ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna take you far.
Okay.
Hey, you gonna have to get a car with a V8 already in it. Then we gonna put some motherfucking spray in it. Spray the damn doors off and get the windows tinted. Hey, put a nitrous kit on it. Put a nitrous kit on it. Spray the rods out that hole. Get a 3rd gen Camaro.
Is
or
that what it
maybe
is?
4th gen.
I had an 89 Firebird. That was my very first car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, V6 that had like, it was 5 cylinders maybe.
Well, look what you need to get. We done figured it out for you.
Okay.
You need a 99 Camaro.
A 99?
99.
Okay.
99
Camaro.
That's what you need. We starting off with a 99 Camaro, 99 and up, 99 through 02.
Now, you say Camaro, does it have to be Camaro specifically, or could it be Firebird?
It could be Trans Am.
Okay.
But the Camaro cheap. The Trans Am costs more than the Camaro.
Oh, okay. Well, then that answers the question, because this is budget is everything. I want to go fast and budget.
Yeah, we're gonna take. If we get you one of them, if we get you a Trans Am, we're gonna change your name from the Stone Vet to the Stone Bird.
Ooh. I'm interested.
You crazy motherfucker, man.
Bro, no, seriously though, because I want a car. I got excited when that guy that one dude offered me his fucking crazy
whatever happened to him?
He ghosted, man. I don't know. I think he's got some mental issues or something. I don't know. Okay. It's not happening. But my point is, now that I understand racing a bit more, I'm fucking glad that didn't happen, because if I actually got to start in a car that's like a 362 big tire car, I'd probably kill myself. I'd probably wreck the shit. I would fuck something up for sure. But if I could start slow and learn from the ground up, and also learn how to work on it, I think I'll have a lot more fun.
Yeah, I think
that could have ruined the sport for me, really.
Yeah, we gotta start you out with a 4th gen Camaro.
Yes. Okay.
It could have a blow motor in it. The thing is we want everything plug and play.
So I want to buy a motor transmission computer combo.
Yeah, it's gonna already have the computer in the car. So all we can do is get a junkyard 5.3, or what, if it still got its original motor in it, we can use that.
Okay, so the original motor is not as important